Hello! It's a beautiful autumn morning and it's pretty cold outside, but today I'm going to Speed to install my heated grips, and we're going to look at a problem with the side stand, something wrong with the sensor, and I discovered another thing. I think my back tire is leaking a little bit. I checked the tire, it doesn't seem there's anything in it, but no nails or something, but I filled it up to 2.9 last night, and when I got in the garage this morning it was 2.7, but I will check that out when we get on the road. So we're going down to my dealership, Speed, and I'm gonna have a good time because now it's late September. The temperatures are dropping at night, and soon winter is coming, but hopefully we have a few rides left. Yeah, it's a lovely morning, lovely autumn morning here in Norway, and it's not warm, I can tell you that. It's 10 degrees. We're late in September now. Next week we got the 1st of October, and October is when I usually put my bike away and go into winter hibernation for 5 months. Everything passes so fast in spring and the summer, in the autumn, and when winter comes, time slows down. Yeah, what a day. But it's I'm cold on my hands. It's only 10 degrees and it's chilly northern winds, so I'm cold on my hands. But I also started already making plans for next year, and if everything works, we got a big trip next year, and I will tell you about that on the way home. Find a place to stop, and I'll tell you what I've planned for next year. So, but right now it's all about getting down to Speed to get some heated grips. Autumn in Norway, good time and sad time, because I'm soon going to park here for the winter Norden. And I just got to know you. I've ridden almost 4,500 Ks on this bike now. It's a good one. I can feel it. And I'm also today trying out some new gear. I bought myself an armored jacket from Revit. So my brother has that, so of course I have to have it. So I just bought. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and it feels very comfortable. So we're at Speed, Husqvarna. Yes, I think I gotta have a look at my rear tire. I think it's leaking air. I checked the whole tire when I was back home, but I can't see if there's any leaks, so yeah, maybe we need a new tire. I hope not. So I'll spend a few hours here. I'm gonna check the sensor on the side stand and takes the heated grips on the bike, but sitting out in the sun, no problem. Yeah, we're finished finally. So we got heated grips, and there was a little problem, so I have to make a U-turn and come back because I already had left, but there was a sensor problem again, but that was just a loose connection. So yeah, we got heated grips, and the sensor on the side stand is sorted. So yeah, let's go. Everything's working. Now my engine light is running. Troubles. I have to turn around again. Why is the engine light on? So the Norden is going in for a third time. And then we're off. Yeah, but now everything works. So they sort that out. They're pretty new to Husqvarna, so maybe that is the case, but everything now is good. So let's head for home. But we're going to stop somewhere first, and let's see now, find a way home. See if we can find a cool road home. Yeah, heated grips, and I don't need them right now because it's 24 degrees. This morning it was 8, now it's 24. Woo! I got too many layers on me, and I don't have any room in my backpack because I bought myself some Husqvarna clothes. Bought myself a hoodie that was on sale, so I also ordered myself a new visor because this visor is now 3 years old and it's scratched like hell. A tractor. Really good roads on the way back. Nice, isn't it? We're in Eidsfoss, and I stopped here to tell you about my plans after the winter, and the big trip next year, for me it's big, is to do the ACT Pyrenees in Spain, and that I'm gonna do in late August, I think, next year. So yeah, I think late August, and of course with my brother. But my brother is going on an even bigger trip. He's going to be away for 8 weeks next year. Whew, that's long. He's going to do an 8 weeks trip alone down in Europe. And I'm going to meet up with him in Spain so we can do the ACT Pyrenees together. And I also hope I can be joined by a couple of mates of mine. So just started to plan that, started to look how we're going to get there. There's plenty of options. One is to transport the bikes down and take a flight and to Spain. And we can also take the train from Germany down to Switzerland, I think. And yeah, there's plenty of options. I haven't decided yet. I have to look at the costs and everything, but this is 90% sure that we're going to do this.
I got permission from my wife to do this. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that next year in 2026. Other than that, we're gonna do lots of rides in Norway. I want to ride the whole of Tet Norway next year, and I want to go back to Sweden and ride the rest of the sections that I haven't done yet. But also want to do some tarmac trips in the west side of the country, because those places in Norway is just stunning. And we also talked about going to the north of the country, but I think that will be for the year after, because I think I gotta save some money to go on the ACT. That's going to be a pretty expensive trip, but yeah, no worries. I'm going to do this. I wanted to do this for a very long time, so finally it's 90% sure it's going to happen. My heated grips are on the bike, my sensor on the side stand is fixed, and my tire is also okay. I had to put the bike in the workshop a couple of more times before I got to leave speed because of some warnings on the dash, but that is also sorted. So yeah, just gonna sit there now and enjoy this nice evening, because in 4 or 5 weeks time the motorcycle season in Norway is over, and we got 5 months of winter, but that also means I got 5 months to plan my trip to the ACT.
Oh, what a nice evening. Look, it says 25 in the sun. Late September. This is what we want to have for the next few months. 20 degrees. There have been something. We've got a Ducati in the front of us. Yeah, everything is sorted on the bike now, and had a really nice ride down and another really nice ride home in this beautiful weather, and yeah, really looking forward to ACT. Really looking forward to the ACT Pyrenees. Let's see. Well, that means that's it for this vid, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.